Coucou les amis, c'est Welva. J'espère que vous allez bien. Some days ago, we started with the consonant sounds. Today, we are going to continue with the vowel sounds. They are pretty much, and this is the summary of what we are going to say. Let's start with the first sound. I, that is E in French. We can see the I sound in ami, souris. That IS will have the E sound. You don't pronounce the S. So you'll be souris, li, ni, ri. You don't pronounce the T, you don't pronounce the D, you don't pronounce the Z. Ami, souris, li, ni, ri. The second sound is the A sound. We have not yet seen the accents. So what we are going to do, we are just going to memorize it. The A sound. The first one is clay. That E, you see an E with an accent. That accent will give it an A sound. So the first word is clay. The second one is donner. The ER gives an A sound. Donner. The last one is ne. The EZ has an A sound. Ne. So we have clay, donner, ne. The third sound is e. We have the first word has an E with an accent. You can see the accent, the slanting of the accent is different from the slanting we saw up with clay. This one is slanting the other way. So this slanting will give it an E sound. When we are going to see accents, you understand better. So we have mère, jamais. This AIS has an E sound. Jamais. Fait. That ER gives it an E sound. Fait. Très. The AIT gives it an E sound. Très. So we have mais, jamais, fait, très. Let's go to the other sounds. That's the fourth sound. That's the A sound. So we have maman, rat, va, la. So the ra, it is not rat. You don't pronounce the T. So it will be maman, rat, va, la. So the next sound is the A sound. You know the other one was A. Now this one is A sound. But this sound is not really in use because most of the words are produced with the A sound. So pat, ba, pa. So the next sound is O. You can find the O sound in words like for, donner. The next sound is O. You can find the O sound in dodo. You see the difference between the O and the O. For, but this one is dodo. Mo, po. EAU will have an O sound. So that is po. Do. OS will have an O sound. That's do. AUX will have an O sound. That is fo. So we have do, mo, po, do, fo. Is that okay? So the last sound for today is the U sound. Don't forget there's a difference between U and U. So the O sound, you can find it in words with OU, like mou, mou, roux, genou. You see OUE, OUX, OUS, OUT. Mou, roux, genou, clou, bout. All of them, they have the U sound, different from the U. U is different. Is that okay? So after that's the end of the lesson for today. Let's see some exercise. Let's practice some words. So the first one, I'll give you some minutes to practice the words. So the first words, the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Are you ready? All right, let's start. The first one, ni. The second one, manger. The third one, mais. That AIS will have the E sound. So it is mais. So the I there doesn't have two dots. We are going to see accents. So if the I had two dots, that will give it another sound. But this one, the I is normal, so it is mais. The fourth, we have la. The fifth, we have more. That's the O sound, more. The last one is tableau. The O sound, tableau. The fifth one, more. The O sound. The last one is O sound, tableau. Is that okay? Thanks for your attention. We meet in the next lesson. See you.